1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, extrema. All right. What's our double? Where do we have a double multiplicity? 2. Okay. So we have 2, 0. Sorry if you just heard the announcements. I apologize. 2, 0. Right? We have a double multiplicity there, so we're going to have a parabola-looking thing. And then let's find all our midpoints. Okay. So how many midpoints are there? So what is halfway between -4 and -9? Okay. So -4 plus -9 divided by 2. That's -13 divided by 2. -6.5. So that's one of them. -6.5. What's halfway between 0 and -4? That should be easy, -2. And then halfway between 0 and 2 is 1. Okay, so we have 4 in this one. Okay, 4 points of extrema. Plug in -6.5 to the third. -6.5 plus 4. -6.5 minus 2 squared. -6.5 plus 9. Notice the double negative in the beginning. It's negative, so watch that. Holy crap! -124,000. -124, I'm just going to put 1,000. That's ridiculous. All right, now I'm going to write over -2. Delete, delete. 2, delete, delete. 2, delete, delete. 2, delete, delete. 1792. So these are big numbers, and then do it again. Second enter, and now I'm going to write 1 over the -2. 1, 1, 1, and 1. Delete. Enter. -50. Okay, so as x, now what is the, how many x's do we have in this one? So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's a negative. So our p of x is -x to the 7th. Okay? -x to the 7th. So as x goes to infinity, what do you get? -infinity. As x goes to -infinity, you get +infinity. Okay? If you plug in a positive number, it's negative. If you plug in a negative number, again, just plug a number in. -2 to the 7th. Oops. And there's a negative out front. So it's -2 to the 7th. You get a positive number. There's 8 negatives in that. Okay? So on my graph, my right, we're going down on this side. And we're going up on this side. All right, so this is a little tricky. So where's my parabola look in the graph? At 2, I have a parabola. So I have to bring this back down. So do not connect it like this. It's going to come down. And then what's happening at 0? It's got an x cubed. So it's an upside down x cubed because it's negative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw that in. Okay, so it looks like that. Again, is it pretty? Not really. I'm doing my best though. Okay, and the rest are normal. I got my it's an upside down parabola and an upside down x cubed. Okay. So these numbers are ridiculously giant. So and this one's even worse. So okay, maybe I should be doing this in pencil. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So I have a parabola looking thing here and an x cubed awkwardness there. And that's the idea. Again, these are awkward to draw, but just do your best.